Today we'll talk about how can you enable crash reports on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on app settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on privacy settings. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. You come here to crash reports. Click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean crash reports enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. I wish now you are give it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.